Whenever you're ready.
Start over.
To express your temple pride in under 2 minutes is next to impossible. So we're going to focus on the social and geographical heart of the campus, the bell tower. The bell tower is the tallest freestanding structure on Temple's campus. And from its center, you can see just about every important building on campus.
The bell tower is like the main hangout of Temple. It's like headquarters of Spring Flames, like where all groups go, where they want to just talk to like students and stuff. So it's probably like, I guess, like the unofficial heart of campus.
I think the bell tower is wonderful because it's where people go to express themselves.
I don't know, what's my favorite thing about Bell Tower? I like the Bell Tower because when you're walking by there, you pretty much always see someone that you know. It's the center of campus, the center of activity, it's the center of fun.
I think the bell tower is a great place to meet a lot of people. You can just approach them and just talk to them, but it's also a great place to do a lot of your work and just study.
Me? About the bell tower?
Yeah.
It's speaking of light and hope on our campus, even though it's just bells.
There's a bee by your
I know I'm home when I see the bell tower.